When we receive a medical malpractice case in our office, again, it's much different than an automobile case because if you're in an automobile accident, there is nothing to stop you from going down to the courthouse and filing your lawsuit the same day you're in an accident. In a medical malpractice case, there are certain pre-suit requirements that must be met before you can file your lawsuit. One of the requirements is that you must obtain an affidavit from another doctor who has reviewed the case and feels that there is malpractice. There is also a waiting period before you can file these lawsuits. Here at Farah Farah, we're experienced in handling these claims. We are experienced in the pre-suit process. We also have a full-time registered nurse on our staff to help you evaluate your medical malpractice claim and answer all your questions. She is also there to read your medical records and talk to you about your medical malpractice situation. We are also available to review your medical malpractice claim even if it's been turned down by another law firm. We understand that some law firms have decided to stop handling medical malpractice claims in part because of the caps. However, our firm remains committed to protecting all victims wrongfully injured by others, and medical malpractice is no exception. Some of the cases that we've been involved in have been misdiagnosis cases, where a doctor wrongfully diagnoses a problem, or maybe there's been some inaccurate medical testing in the laboratory. There could be a false negative or a false positive that results in injury to you. Or perhaps an infant has been injured during a birth, or there was a misdiagnosis of a condition that resulted in a heart attack. These are all situations we can evaluate. Our firm will be dedicated to representing victims of medical malpractice up until the legislature nails the doors to the courthouse closed.